Over 3 million jobs requiring Salesforce skills were posted in the last 12 months, and the demand for professionals with CRM and Salesforce experience is still growing. One of the jobs that is currently in high demand is the Sales Operations Specialist role. Sales Operations Specialists, also known as Sales Ops Specialists, leverage the powerful tools in Salesforce to support and empower sales teams to sell more effectively. While the exact job structure and responsibilities will vary from business to business, generally a Sales Ops Specialist will provide value under 4 main categories. Strategy, for example, providing sales forecasting through the use of Salesforce data and offering ideas on how to optimize the sales process. Technology, like leading the adoption and customization of a CRM like Salesforce, as well as other integrations in the sales team's tech stack. Operations, such as finding the best use of the many tools in Salesforce to make the sales and support teams work more efficient. And performance, using reports to leverage Salesforce data, for example, to determine how effectively and efficiently the members of a sales team are doing their jobs. Keep in mind that depending on the company, the Sales Ops Specialist role might go by a variety of different names, like Sales Support Specialist, Revenue Operations Specialist, or sometimes even just Sales Representative. Every organization defines the responsibilities of this role differently, but the one constant that you need to do this job well is a strong foundation in Salesforce, which the courses in this professional certificate will give you. Some examples of how a Sales Ops Specialist might use Salesforce to complete real-world tasks on the job include optimizing lead management. For example, a Sales Ops Specialist might see that the way a sales team is targeting and communicating with potential new customers is inefficient, and then suggest ways to improve the process using Salesforce. Creating a system for opportunity management by showing a sales team how to progress sales opportunities through the stages in a sales cycle in an organized, scalable way in Salesforce. Ensuring consistent and quality customer support by implementing a clear support process using the tools in the Salesforce Service Cloud. And generating reports and dashboards in Salesforce in order to track a sales team's performance and forecast future sales. Overall, being familiar with the foundations of how Salesforce is used is incredibly important for anyone interested in the Sales Operations Specialist role, or any sales role for that matter. Knowing how to leverage these fundamental tools in Salesforce will enable you to support and empower teams to sell more effectively and support customers along the way. In this professional certificate, you will learn what it's like to work as a Sales Operations Specialist in a real-world, on-the-job setting. More importantly, you will have the opportunity to learn how to use the foundational Salesforce tools by working with the software hands-on. By the end of this professional certificate, you will have the technical skills necessary to become a Sales Operations Specialist, which is also a great first step if you'd like to become a Salesforce administrator one day too. So, ready to start the journey?